Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee jaw injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your jaw. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to, and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Injuries to the jaw have the potential to impact your life in a number of ways. They can restrict your ability to eat and drink, as well as your ability to communicate, which is why if you've suffered a serious injury of this nature because of an accident which was down to the negligence of others, then you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming compensation for a jaw injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a jaw injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with jaw injury claims. The good news for you is that we are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Whether you'd like to know about compensation for GBH broken jaw or would like us to go over compensation guidelines for personal injury, we'll be happy to do all we can to assist you. We'll shortly be looking at personal injury compensation levels, but you should bear in mind that these figures only represent the compensation that you may receive for your injuries and do not include any other amounts for things like loss of income from time off work and any other expenses that you've incurred because of the accident. If you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total if the accident happened at a specific place, like whilst you were at work. We'd be happy to use our workplace injury compensation calculator as well. Following this consultation, we will talk through your jaw compensation injury claim with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for a jaw injury in our compensation claim amount table. In front of us we have the table for fractures to the jaw compensation claim amounts, and for very serious multiple fractures followed by prolonged treatment and permanent consequences including severe pain, restriction in eating, paresthesia and or risk of arthritis in the joints, you could expect to receive anything between £24,300 right the way up to £36,310. For serious fracture with permanent consequences such as difficulty in opening the mouth or with eating, or where there is paresthesia in the area of the jaw, you could expect to receive anything between £14,320 right the way up to £24,300. And then for a simple fracture requiring immobilization but from which recovery is complete, you could expect to receive anything between £5,150 right the way up to £6,960. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.